just outside this little fish and chip shop at Phillip Island called Tides, and it's such a good little fish shop. The food is really yummy. We just had some beautiful whiting. It was moist, it was tender. It's fully licensed, so definitely worth a look in. This is called Tides at on Phillip Island. Should drop in and have a look. Good stuff.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.